Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another amazing day that we're trading Euro USD. As you can see, we are in massive profits, guys, and yeah, that's where I took my trade the yellow line, the drone line, and I took the trade with the standard lot size of 1.06. And as you can see, guys, as I estimated, as I predicted, the market will definitely go down. As you see, the massive move of about 800 to 1000 pips actually, and that's where I placed my stop loss. I knew the market wouldn't uh, pass that was a resistance, so I knew that was my resistance level, so the market couldn't go past that level. So and down here, that was my support. That okay, up there is my resistance, and down here is my support area. So as you can see, guys, previously, yes, the day before, as you can see, the market rose and I knew it will come back. Now that's why I placed my stop loss, and actually this trade went up to 1000 pips. It's just that I wasn't online to record, and I was busy doing other things. Now I came back, it was about 800 pips in profits. So it's a beautiful trade, guys, and for sure, having the right knowledge in Forex is a very good. So wherever you see this, okay, as you can see now, my profits are at $700, and this was just a $400 account, guys. With only one trade, I flipped this account to 200%, like two times. This support and resistance level, as long as you know your support areas and your resistance areas, so you trade between those areas, and the right, you have to be patient also, because this trade I took about 4 hours ago. The market kept consolidating and consolidating. As you can see, the market kept consolidating, but like an hour ago, there was a strong bearish move that gave me these massive profits. It went up to $1000, because as you can see, this current candle, the wicks went up to over 1000 pips. So if I could be here on time, I could have closed it at $1000. That's where my take profit, actually my first take profit is that place. That's my second take profit, and my third take profit zones. Sorry, guys. uh so having that in mind, I knew definitely the market will come back. It was just a matter of time, because as you can see, the market kept consolidating. I took this trade at 10, now it's 4. So you can see it's patience. I could have closed it maybe at $100, but it kept on consolidating. I think I'll close it at $800, because I don't want also to wait so much. I don't want it to hit $1000. I'm contented with this, because you never know, the market gives, at the same time the market takes. So it can give you, and also it can take away from you. So I didn't anticipate this much, but I think what helped me was the fact that I wasn't online. Sometimes it's advice. As you can see, the market pulled up yesterday, and I knew definitely it will come back. So I saw what made me took this trade was the after that there was a bearish move, a bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, that bearish engulfing candle, that was the second indicator that made me knew this market was definitely going to come down. But it consolidated. I took this trade after 2 hours from that engulfing candle, but the market kept on consolidating, and it never hit my stop loss. That I placed my stop loss. I knew when the market passes that stop loss, then maybe it won't come down, because, or maybe it will take time before it comes down, because with this market you never know. We don't control the market, the market controls you. So as a trader, you have to be ready for anything. Sorry guys, uh have some flu. It's a cold season over here. So yeah, those are the factors that made me took this trade. As you can see, I'm waiting it to hit $800, and then I will close the trade. Yeah, so this is what I urge you, and this is what you can do. It doesn't matter who you are, where your background is. You only need to learn. I have a Telegram group, the link, and you can join also my WhatsApp group. I'll put in the description link. You can join those groups, learn the way I trade, learn more about Forex, so that you also start making money. There's no excuses in Forex money. As much there's no age limit, there's no excuse. As much as you're 18 years and above, you can open a trading account. Have the right knowledge first. Open up a trading account. I think I have to close this trade. Let us close together, guys. Yes, I've closed the trade. As you can see, I'm at $1,255 from $400 with only one single trade. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video.